please. Atul Tyagi has asked, is there any specific syllabus? No, not at all. It is general psychology syllabus, which you are covering during your coaching also, and Unique UIBS is also delivering that coaching, and that is excellent. Some students have been selected from UIBS also. So this is all general psychology syllabus which you are going to follow, like Introduction to Psychology by the Morgan and King and Baron Burney and some of the statistics. If you cover that, you will be able to crack the exam. Is there any reservation for PWD candidate? Yet not, but definitely you have a very good question. So we will forward your this thing and we will look into that. But unfortunately, there is only 8 seats, so the percentage doesn't come out to be even for 1 seat. So that is the reason I think person with disabilities are not being even. We don't have any reservation for that. If they qualify, they can come. So there are many questions I will be answering one by one. So Harshita Chopra, I already replied. Atul Tyagi replied. Vishnu Venugopal, I have already tried to discuss with you, and this is very good question. I'll take up with the authorities. So we'll let you know if you have any concern further. Sir, will the application process be delayed because of the COVID, or will be happen in July? So see, whole world is being now uh, you can say affected because of the COVID-19, and as per our calendar, if the university allow us, we will be able to uh, do that in time. But in that case, even this is delayed, it will be duly informed through the national newspapers, and you can always visit our www.gmc.gov.in website. uh, any negative marking, there is there is no negative marking as such. Only the correct scores are being counted, and these scores are also counting through the OMR sheets. So there is no human error. There is always computer which check your copies. Are IGNU student eligible for the entrance test? Kimi Gupta. See, our course is through the Punjab University, and this course is under the Faculty of Medical Sciences. So, under the Faculty of Medical Sciences, in all kind of medical courses, they comes under the medical courses. These are having specific criteria to be included. So, right now, IGNU students they can appear in the test. They can give their entrance, but right now there is no policy for open student because the eligibility is 2 year full time regular course. So Archana Moria, is there any specific therapy to learn? All kind of therapies you are able to learn here. Behavioral therapy unit is basically psychosocial rehabilitation also. Even the vocational training, social skill training, and CBT, neuropsychological treatments, all marital and psychosexual child guidance clinic में जैसे behavior modification है ना. So you are able to get exposure to all kind of therapy, ACT, mindfulness also. So supportive therapy, psychoanalytic therapy we are less practicing, but if you have any interest, we can able to give you some exposure in that also. And we invite so many people, different specialties to deliver some workshops during the course. Pooja Bista, sir, what are therapy does the department giving training for? I think I have answered. Sir, IGNU student also apply for this. You can apply, but still this course is under Faculty of Medical Sciences. So we have to follow the Punjab University guidelines in which this course is aggregated. But certainly there are many queries in the past also, but we have not able to entertain. I have already answered to that. So what is it is expected from us in the interview round? Interview is nothing. It is just will ask you if you are eligible, with whether you will be able to join or not. So that is all. Uh, Arpita Kalra, time duration for the 100 marks question. That is 2 hours exam, and you will be able to answer. What is the pattern for examination? What has been general trend for cutoff in the recent years? Around 80, 82, 79, 76. So out of 100, this is the general trend. Diksha Bansal, will extra point will be given for extra work in the field? No, that is not required. If the some students, those who get the equal marks, then the second criteria will be that those will be having higher age in comparison to that their competitor, they will be selected first as per the policy in the government institutions and the jobs also. This is the main criteria. And the third, if even then the age is equivalent, then the marks in the masters will be considered for getting the admission. Sir, is the original degree mandatory at the time of application? No, original degree at the time of entrance is not required, but at the time of counseling, you need to provide your original mark sheets, original degrees, right? Mridula, my college gives degree only in November. That's not possible because in September we generally, 1st September our course starts. Ravisha Bhutani. Does James require any other internship? No, we are not providing any other internships. Only 1 or 2 months internship is being given to the Punjab University students with whom we have MOU. Otherwise, we are not entertaining any other students for any internship. So, what exactly is eligible to appear for intern test? MA in psychology, right? 55% marks. Exact entrance dates are not announced because it is around generally in the last week of July. Uh, no, no. In the last week of July, we introduced these advertise this, and within 15 days time, you have to fill up your form online and submit. And then after that, in the August last week, most probably, or third or fourth week, you will have exam. Sir, what if the master student does not have his or her fund mark sheet from college till July? Is she allowed to apply appear? You can apply in the exam. You can just write appeared in that. So finally, when you have counseling at that time you have to provide all original documents. Dipanshi Pareta, does James provide masters also? No. This is a MPhil course only which we provide here. Split core, what are the basic qualification for MPhil? I have already told MA in psychology is required with 55% marks. Sir, how many queues are there in the entrance and what is the time duration for the exam? You can understand a number of application are 600, and last time we had to conduct this exam in the school where different rooms, and as such as a SSC, UPSC exams are being conducted, likewise it is being conducted. So, sir, if a PW candidate clear the entrance, how will be selection? What is the eligibility of PW? See, the first criteria is you have to get highest marks in the entrance. And PWD, I already told you that there is only 8 seats, and the percentage for PWD comes around 4%, and that doesn't qualify for that. But definitely, I'll take up this point with our authorities, and if we can do something, or we can have some reservation for these students. That's a good point, Vishnu. The Kriti Sapra, sir, the application should be done online. Yes, this is all online. Raghuvanshi Singh, sir, can you repeat your website name? I'll write here. And find in the message chat box. So, Gurleen Anand, sir, is the selection directly on top 8 students like the counseling, or you select top 20, 30 and then deduct it to 8 seats? Gurleen, see, top entrance toppers are being asked to join the course. If they don't join, then next candidate is in given opportunity. Definitely, those who are to 3 times 8 student means 24 students have been called to, for the counseling, so that if somebody left, then next student get the opportunity. So even then, they are considering waiting those who are ninth ranker, 10th ranker, 11th ranker, right, like that. So once if even a student within a month left the course, so that next candidate gets the opportunity to enter in that course. Arpita Kala, what type of cases are more in number during the course, like substance abuse or psychosis? All kind of cases. You will surprised to know that we have in, all kind of cases in our OPDs, like anxiety disorder, depression, bipolar, psychosis, substance use, marital issues, simple behavioral issues, behavior modification issues, and simple behavioral problems, intellectual disability, specific learning disability, ADHD, everything. So we have all kind of cases here, right? So now coming to the preparation of MPhil exam, Atul sir will highlight you. This whole course is the same everywhere, wherever you apply for the MPhil. You have to general psychology, read carefully all the general psychology books, all specialty covered in statistics, clinical, social psychology, and all that. What exactly the syllabus of entrance or is available on your website? Which I have already told you that this is just general psychology kind of this thing, and you will get question from all the general psychology syllabus which you have covered in your master already and graduation. So there is no such question which are out of this master syllabus and all that. English. Hmm, Akash Mohan, English language is preferred mode of language in studying MPhil, but as you know, the therapeutic work and all that, regional languages have been given importance in practice. So, but the examination is all conducted in English. Please repeat your website. I have already given you in the chat box. You can find out. Aradhana Rajput. ICD 10 DSM 4 has to be covered in syllabus. Yes, ICD 10 DSM 4 DSM 5 has to be covered. Mansha, the Center for Entrance Exam is in Chandigarh or in other state also. This is only in Chandigarh. Okay. Arpita, is there any state quota? No, there is no state quota because we comes under union territory. This is a national level center directed state UT. So Poonam Verma attendance is compulsory. In which Poonam Verma, as I understand, attendance is compulsory means during the course, or what you are trying to ask. You can repeat your question. Shivangi, is more emphasis given on abnormal and clinical psychology in test? No, no. This is all. You can probably 10 question from clinical psychology, 10 from statistics, 10 from this, like this. This is not more emphasis on abnormal and clinical psychology. This is all general psychology which will be covered. Harika, sir, can students from BA plus MA clinical psychology dual degree course from material apply for MPhil? Yes, you have to be equivalent MA in psychology. You can apply. Punam Varna Dawar during course. Okay. So during the course, minimum 80% attendance is required, and you have to complete your coursework, everything, whichever the criteria is prescribed by the RCI. Only 30 leaves are permitted in 2 years, 15 years, all kind of leaves, not more than that. Otherwise, you are not eligible to appear in the exam. Are there different cutoffs for general and SC? Yes, yes. cutoff for general and SC/ST is different. Both the merit list comes differently. Separate category has been. Raghumohan, sir, your message not seen here. I am repeating the. So I think you have seen now. Will there be an aptitude test also? Aptitude test is not as such required in our course, but definitely during the counseling you will be judged, but that is not scoreable. We don't keep any sample paper for entrance preparations. You can get it from previous students which you have might be attended this entrance and they have been selected. You can contact them, but definitely we are not providing any sample papers. Unique Institute of Behavioral Sciences can help you in that. We can provide you full flash training. So what all is done during the 2 year program course and what are the options open after MPhil? So that's a very good question. One is your private practice, another is your on you can join as a clinical psychologist in different specialties, even in cardiology department, in surgery department, gynecology department, pediatric department, psychiatry department. You can work independently also, you can work in any association also, in institution also. There are so many options available now. This clinical psychology is so popular that everybody is able to practice. So after training, you will be able to practice your own. That is also open. So there are so many opportunities you can gain after that. Aprajita Pandey, how many seats does the general class have? 7. Aprajita has asked, we have 7 seats for general class. Uvama, good morning, sir. Sir, for MPhil entrance for statistic, A casing is sufficient or Kalinga SK Mangal will be required? So, my personal speaking, you have to cover all things, but AKSing is good, Karlinger is also good. So I can't specify on one book because it is not based on book, the entrance test. These are different questions have been framed from different parts of the books. So you have to go through all. But the AKSing is comprehensive one. So you can. So Lucky Verma is asking, sir, is there any particular part of the syllabus which GMC is covered in exam? Again, the same answer. Provide any SCI-CD program, or they have only MPhil? Only MPhil. We don't have SCI-D. But my language, both Hindi and Punjabi, which I don't. So I'm eligible. No, we are not judging people from their background knowledge. So there is no. Earlier also there were some students who are from South India, some from Bengal, some from Odisha. They have done their MPhil from here. So language is not an issue, but definitely you will learn gradually to speak in Hindi and Punjabi when you have to interact with the patients. You are eligible, but you have to work hard on some kind of some level of fluency is required. Which is the most preferred in India DSM for ICD? We are using both. Since ICD is going outdated and the new version will come, and in some of the cases we follow DSM, in some cases ICD. Sir, I wanted to ask, in which month does MPhil forms comes out? Yeah, July month, and due the COVID-19 maybe some delay, but July is the month when we uh, advertise. No, general reasoning and other questions are not much asked. One or two question maybe there. Right now we are doing exam offline. In future we will look up, since considering the COVID-19, we may have come up with online preparation of this examination. Interview it is not there. Saurabhi Das. We are not giving any weightage to interview. We just assess them for their willingness to join the course, the counseling. Research book author's name. Uh, Research book Curlinger is there, and AK Singh is somebody referred, so you can read those books. MPhil in neuropsychology is not course here. This is a clinical psychology course here, so that is not a such. So, uh, Pulwama. Okay. So, acha. Paritalwa, sir, do we have MPhil in neuropsychology? No. So, since you have so many questions, uh, Aradhana Rajput, I have RCI license in special education, so it doesn't stop me from clinical license, I hope, sir. You have dual license in that case. You will be able to do that. Your special education part also. But for MPhil, you have to have a MPhil in Masters in Psychology to appear in that. No, it is Arpita. It is all journal, and UIBS will help you in preparation of that. Doesn't any placement of it. No, we don't have any placement cell, but I can assure you that there are so many opportunities comes. I have prepared, made a WhatsApp group, alumni group of MPhil, and wherever these opportunities comes, I help them in finding right place, and they used to discuss with me. And in any case, our other students who are placed, they also refer and send those opportunities in that group, and we help them. And right now, everybody is occupied, whoever is passed out, so nobody is left out without job or without any work. So that's 100% placement. We train them in a way that they get the opportunities and they crack that. They get their enter into that. As I told you that entrance you can give, but Jigyasa, Gauda, IGNU students, basically in our course, only regular students has been considered eligible to be selected as a MPhil student. So I already covered in my previous this thing. No work experience is required. Only master degree in clinical in psychology with 55% marks is required. Astha and Aradhana, I have masters in PGDC too. So no problem. Still you can join. So I think so many queries were there. Uh, Girls quota. सोना रानी सर एंट्रेंस एग्जाम की लैंग्वेज क्या होती है हिंदी दिस इज इंग्लिश ओनली एंट्रेंस एग्जाम yes you must go through ICD and DSM also for Divya Simple Mehta. Sir, what are the government jobs available? There are so many government jobs available in, like in RCA recognized institutes also. There's clinical psychologist course comes. Even many organizations they are now recruiting because after MPhil only you will be considered as a mental health professional, and mental health professional can work in any setting. They can do their independent work also. So all the government jobs, wherever the jobs are in there, in DMHP also there are so many jobs in of clinical psychologists. So in all government institutions, there are certain vacancies. Time to time comes up, and we advise our students to join there. Sir, there are many quota that have been applied, like girl child quota, migration quota. No, these are not applicable to MPhil, Akanksha. So since this course is RCI recognized course and university has to follow the guidelines of RCI, they cannot force to to follow their guidelines in all respect. Right? So in RCI there is no such guidelines. University is not giving that. Sir, what is the fee structure and hostel? We have that is a good question, Gurleen. And fee structure is around we are charging 15,000 to 20,000 for a year, and there are hostel accommodation available, and that is we have rooms for all the students. We have hostel accommodation, and sir, any approximate salary that any individual can earn as an MPhil clinical psychologist? It range from minimum 50,000 to maximum 5 lakhs in a month. It depends on your skills and your level of engagement. Atul, Satakshi Mishra, sir, I am in master's final semester and will only get my project after results. Will I use it at counseling qualified? So that at the time of counseling, you need to have all the original degrees and certificates. There is no relaxation in that. But entrance you can give your entrance test. After that, you need to provide your. Since in July we release the form, in August we conduct the entrance examination, and in the first when the entrance exam is over, the next day only we conduct the counseling, and in counseling those people are interested can join the course. If they are having all marks and degrees. Yes, Rajshri Rathore, we are providing 12,000 rupees per month for the stipend. Okay, students. Shiva Mathur, sir, I am otherwise able student. If I get selected, are there any facility for otherwise able student in college and in the hostel? Yes, our all the setup is disabled friendly, and we are following all the norms provided disability free institute. We are following that all. So all the facilities has been given in the hostel. In the all ramp is also there. They are all accessible. Everything is accessible since we are also a general medical hospital. So everything is available, lifts and all that. But how to go about ICD and DSM? You have to read out the different clinical condition, common conditions, and you have to find out the diagnostic criteria. That's it. What else is given there in fiction? Lucky, but someone have master degree from distance and they got around 70% marks on the cases. GMC is considered the person or the seat to the person. Lucky Verma, uh, I already told that eligibility for selected to be selected in the MPhil course in GMCH, you need to have a 2 year full-time MPhil degree a master's in psychology program. So if you have done it distance, sorry, we will not be able to take up because this is course is under the Faculty of Medical Sciences. MPhil is only in clinical psychology, Ishita. Devika, hostel is available, and that is mandatory to stay in the hostel also. I can't comment any other institutions, Purnima, but GMCS I rank second in the country after NIMHANS. So it's your take, because since we have all kind of clinical infrastructures and setups. So in Amity, generally clinical setups are not there, and they have to be associated with certain institutes. So that is little bit I consider as a disadvantage. 15 to 20 Purva, 15,000 to 20,000 fees is annual. There is no semester system in MPhil. This MPhil is in GMCS 32 sector, Pari, not in 16 sector. That is not a college, that is a hospital. Taloni sir, is there necessary to do MA psychology for MPhil? Yes, definitely. Why not? Pari, okay, thank you. Yes, Anshika, you can go, if you can go through, that is good. Can go through all I say. So I think, sir, after completing MPhil, it is compulsory to go for a job. Can one pursue? Definitely, you can pursue PhD. No problem. Harmanpreet, we have a multiple choice questions answers only in MPhil exam, entrance exam. So OMR CT are being given, and you have to just start the circle of answer A, B, C, D, whatever it is. Is the department in collaboration with some school or community for mental health? We are already having our community mental health work. Our team is visiting different parts of the Chandigarh city and different communities. So we have our own setup, and we are also being associated with various schools all that also. Puja Bist, is that okay? Harmanpreet is, and is there any negative marking? No, no, there is no negative marking. Gunjan, whether it is compulsory to have clinical paper in masters to do MPhil in clinical psychology? See, we are working on that, and you will get the advertisement when you can find it. And since we are following the guidelines of RCI, so we have approached the university to change that. Earlier, it in 2009 syllabus of MPhil guidelines, it was given one special paper in clinical psychology in masters. So we have been we have approached Punjab University to modify that criteria, and hopefully this time you will get masters in psychology only, not a special paper in clinical psychology required. What things to keep in mind for choosing college for master in psychology? That has to be a regular degree in psychology. In master doesn't matter. From there you do it. Karishma, hello, sorry for joining it. There is also increase in the number of seats for MPhil. That I cannot comment this time, but in future we can may increase to 10, 8 to 10, but not now. There is no proposal, right? Harmanpreet Kaur, Atul sir can explain you what course you have to complete. Sir, only general psychology is to be studied for the exam. Atul sir can explain you all this.
Okay, sir. So she is asking, is it compulsory? Like it is general psychology only? So this was the question of Harmanpreet. Harmanpreet,
Mhm.
it is like you will study all BA psychology, BA and MS psychology syllabus, and general psychology is a part of that, and even this research methodology, psychological testing, that research part that you have to like study if you want to go for the examination of MPhil clinical psychology, in any institutes. So all those things you have to like all general psychology, and research methodology and statistics, and some extra you can go for like clinical psychology and abnormal psychology that you have to study. There is no doubt in that. But as far as I know, the institutes who have MPhil clinical psychology, they look for how much you know from your MA background, because that is the basic criteria. It is not like you should know all clinical psychology, because that you will study in the MPhil in clinical psychology. So at in entrances, they look how much concept clarity and knowledge you have of MA psychology. So that is the most important thing, and that you have to consider when you are going for the examination. I am right, sir?
Yes, 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 you're
Yeah.
correct. So next question from IUC, is PsyD a good option if I'm not willing to do research in future but only want to do clinical practice? IUC MPhil in clinical psychology is sufficient for practice as a clinical psychologist. PsyD is a research degree as well. It is equivalent to doctorate. So even though you don't go for research, but PsyD program takes 4 years to complete, 3 to 4 years, and MPhil program takes 2 years to complete. So if you are want to practice, you go for the MPhil rather than going for PhD, PsyD. Oh no, I mean clinical psychology compulsory or general psychology is also okay to appear for the test. And in clinical psychology is also fine. That see, for eligibility you have to have a master's in psychology in any branch of psychology. Doesn't matter. Harmanpreet, number of questions cannot be commented. It depends on the paper setters, how much he will cover in what area. So definitely there will be some questions. Twinkle Jaiswal, again, comparatively, which is better, MPhil or PhD, and how? Here, MPhil clinic for to practice as a clinical psychologist or to work as a clinical psychologist, you need to have a MPhil in clinical psychology. PhD in any branch or anywhere is not allowed you to practice. Sir, is Regional Institute for Mentally Handicapped also affiliated with GMCH? Pari, it is now GRID, Government Institute of Intellectual Disability and Rehabilitation. That is administrative control of Government Medical College, GMCH, but it is an independent institute under Chandigarh administration. So do the student automatically get RCA certification post course completion, or they have to appear for a separate? Pooja, after MPhil, you have to apply for the registration. Only degree certificates are sufficient. MPhil degree certificates are sufficient to get the license from the RCA. So
I think we have covered most of all the questions,
hmm,
right?
so
Okay. Okay, if anybody has any other question, they can like type here or can ask. And I just want to thank you, Dr. Manoj, for mm, like accepting our invitation to solve the queries of the students. So I hope आप सभी लोगों का जितना भी query है that has been resolved. And in any other cases, if you have any other queries, you can just write to us on our email ID, or you can call us on our number that I am giving you here. So, and there are like just to sum up, it is like MPhil clinical psychology and PsyD and professional diploma in clinical psychology. These are the few courses that gives you the RCI registration. And though MPhil is the oldest course in India, and PsyD and professional diploma, they are limited to few institutions right now, and all of them are like private institutions. So we will have some other webinar or meet this kind of meet some other time to discuss all those things like private and government setups, and we'll try to bring more experienced people like Dr. Manoj to you, so that there is no because some I have number of queries, number of calls from like different students and different kind of uh, like questions they have. Like yesterday someone asked me, is net is necessary for the MPhil admissions? So that kind of questions, because of there is lack of awareness, so that is why we thought to start this kind of program, so that you can directly interact with the credible source like Dr. Manoj, so that there is no confusion. Because if you know what you are doing, how you are doing, that will make a difference. So hopefully your all queries is solved now. So I think there is no other question. Um, so we'll bind up now, and I would like to thank you, Dr. Manoj, from
Yeah, yeah.
like on behalf of Unique Institute of Behavioral Sciences, that he agreed to take the session, and hopefully we'll have more session of Dr. Manoj, not only in like on MPhil clinical psychology, and we'll always invite him for neuropsychology. So sometime we'll have this kind of thing. So thank you all for joining us, and thank you very much, Dr. Manoj. So see you soon again.
Yeah, thank you, Atulji. Let me thank you all, because it's our responsibility to guide and make aware all these students, those who are coming from the university setup. Unfortunately, in master's program, they have not been given adequate knowledge, adequate information about the future prospects. So there is a need to introduce such program in their master's level, which you are doing. That's a very commendable work, and I hope in future we will be able to connect with more people in university setup also, and we'll be able to deliver our guidance and will educate people, so that these students are not been misguided or mistreated by different agencies and organization to be working as a clinical psychologist in future. So thank you very much, Atul sir, for giving me opportunity, and thank you all students. You people were very wonderful, and you have asked very relevant questions, which I enjoyed answering these questions. So thank you very much. We'll meet you and catch up again. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, thank you all, and best of luck to everyone for your examinations.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, sir. Bye bye.
Okay.